Hello, welcome to the April 1st stream of Skin Deep Development. I am Brendan Chung, and today we are going to continue doing bathroom stuff. So let's take a look at what we got. Here's our sink. Here is the hand dryer that we worked on yesterday. After the stream, I added some sound effects and I tweaked the animation a little bit. It looks pretty good. Pretty happy with this. Add a little bit of a towel dangle animation at the end. Which looks pretty good. I like that. And we tweaked the particle effects too, so they came out of this little gap right here. And the last thing is the trash can. So here's how the trash can works. You put a weapon on it, or you put any object on it. And it dunks it into the trash zone. My tea is done. I'll be right back. And the last thing we have in the toilet, the bathroom zone, is the toilet. All right, so I thought what we work on today is the destruction effects for the hand dryer. I think right now it doesn't really do anything. So let's do that. So we're going to find our sink. And okay, so we have a killed function here. We're going to go to the killed function. Oh wait, I'm in the wrong thing. AC hand dryer. There we go. Okay. So, we have an animation that's called meltdown. Let's see if this works. The animation meltdown. Missing meltdown animation. Okay. So we can go add this animation to the file. There we are. Okay, let's try that again. Hey, there it goes. Okay. So what we want is we want to loop the animation. So let's give that another shot. Phoenicia in the chat asked, are you going to add in a sonic shower? I actually don't know what a sonic shower is. It sounds cool, whatever it is. Yeah, let me know what a sonic shower is, and I'll check it out. So here's our machine. It's very wiggly. You know what? I kind of think it could be more wiggly. Let's exaggerate the shaking a little bit more. And dryer. Yeah, let's give this a shot. Export, meltdown, save. That feels kind of weird. Well, let's try it out. We might need to revert everything back. That's okay. That's pretty good. Okay, so when it dies, we should make it not be froppable. And it would be nice if the towel kind of jiggled up and down while it was shaking. Let's see, what's the logic here? When it jiggles up, it goes down a little bit. Then when it goes back down, it goes back up. Oh, I feel like I might be butchering it. Let's leave that alone. All right, well, anyways. Yes, we want to make a skin variation for this. So let's do that. Skin, hand dryer, skin, sanitizing. Skin meltdown. Okay. So I'm going to copy you, skin, meltdown. Oh, maybe it'll be fun to have the lights blink red instead of bright green. Yeah, let's do that. That'd be kind of nice. Let's see. Objects, hand dryer. Where's your glow texture? There it is. So instead of hard coding it to be green, we are going to desaturate it. Make it bright white. Is that white? Yeah. And do that. And oh no, okay, this is fine. I think. Okay. Okay, so we are going to set the skin to be the meltdown variation. Cool. All right, looks like we're ready to go. Nisha says it's a fancy space sci-fi shower from Star Trek. Oh, okay. My Star Trek experience has mostly been limited to Deep Space Nine, which I liked a lot. That was really, really good. I've yet to see I've yet to really get into the next generation, so that is my next goal, my next Star Trek goal. So here we have, oh, this is not working. Oh, you know what? I know how to do this. I know how to do this. So I think red and blue are 1 by default. So if we just tell it to be red 0, blue 0, then it should look correct. Perfect, beautiful. All right, so this works. Let's blow it up. We're in the meltdown stage. Red, green, 0, blue, 0. We want this to blink pretty rapidly. You know what? I think this is shaking way too much. Let's revert back to what it was. Revert. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay, revert these 2 files. Let me make sure, just in case. If you revert the wrong files, it's kind of a pain in the butt. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay, let's try that again. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, so what I want is for these 2 lights to alternate between blinking. think I could do it like this. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful. Cool. So the way we did that was we set up two different blink tables. Blink table 1, blink table 6. And as you can see, this one is 001, 0011. This one is 1100. And so they'll kind of like blink at alternate rates. Or at what do you call it? Opposite rates, I don't know. And it makes it look like they are switching positions. Cool. That looks pretty good. Oh, why is it still probable though? Let's try that. Oh, should this be false? That's why. Okay, let's play meltdown. Looks pretty good. Yeah, let's save what we got. And fire destruction work. Okay, looks good. So, what else do we need? We need some black smoke to spew out of it. I think I have an effect that will work for this, but let me try to find it. It's in here somewhere. Damage. Okay, effects, machine spark damage. Effects machine damaged. What am I doing here? Well, let's take a look at what these particle effects look like. What's the first one? Machine spark damage. Sounds promising. It's okay. Machine damage. Ooh, that could be fun. Oh yeah, that's kind of what I want, isn't it? Jeez. The smoke is it's pretty aggressive. Machine damage smoke light. Yeah, this one looks pretty promising. We could use this one. Yeah, so let's make a copy of this. We'll call it machine damaged smoke light. Timed. 2 seconds. Duration 5 seconds. Oof. Duration 0.6 seconds. All right, let's make this smoke last a little bit of a shorter amount of time. Yeah, that's pretty good. Looks pretty good. Okay. So, what we're gonna do is we're going to make a new effects for this thing. Let's see if you already have one. I guess not. Okay. FX, machine, damaged, smoke, light, 2 seconds. Okay. Then we go in here. All right, so now we gotta decide where to spawn this particle effect. Let's see. So at the origin and forward, it's 6 units. Yeah, sounds right. Let's try that out. Okay, let's give it a shot. So what should happen is we will blow up the hand dryer and it'll start spewing smoke and sparks. Okay, that's not bad. Let's make the smoke a bit darker. Let's have it rotate a little bit more. And let's make the sparks way smaller. This one. Yeah, 32, that's humongous. Let's do, how about that? Try that out. They could be smaller still. Do that. And let's also move the particle effect a little bit further out from the wall because the smoke is kind of clipping into the wall. So we'll do that. And we'd also make the sparks a little bit less excited. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go off mic for a bit, and I will catch you all a little bit later. Hello, hello. All right, so we added some effects. It now has a scorch mark on the wall. It now spews out a bunch of little metal bits. And I think it'll inflict some damage on things around it. But it is missing a little explosion, like particle effect. So I'm going to try to copy one from a different object in the game. Where is it? Yeah, here we are. FX explosion. Perfect. Does that look right? Yeah, looks good. Let's try it out. Ludicrous Gibbs. Yeah, there was a little bug where I forgot to limit how much chunks for it to spew out, and it just kind of spewed out a waterfall of metal bits. That was kind of gross. Okay, so I'm gonna blow it up. Hey, it's pretty good. Looks great. Cool. I kind of wish it blew up a sink, though. Why did it not blow up a sink? Let's try that again. Right, so the sink health is 150. I'm gonna blow this up. Oh, it does 0 damage. That's a bummer. Well, first things first, let's make sure this is looking and working okay. Oh, yeah, it's not doing any damage to me. Let's take a look. Game local radius damage, get physics, get origin. Blah, 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 blah. Damage, explosion. Damage, explosion. Radius 160. It's a pretty big radius. I wonder if it's because I am deleting it from the world. Let's try this out. Yeah, it's not doing any damage. Game local radius damage. Alright, well, let's see where else I am using this, and maybe it'll help us out. Radius damage, do explosion. Aha, there it goes. Cool, it works. So, in order for radius damage to work, call these two lines first. Okay. Good. Let's test and see how much damage it does to the sink. So 150. $70. Okay. So it did 80 damage. How about let's make the sink more fragile? It's kind of fun. And made the garbage disposal drop an object. That's pretty cute. All right. You know what? Let's put the let's reset the sink. Get 150 again. Okay. So hand dryer. Kill damage done. Cool. I was thinking it might be kind of cute if for the trash disposal thing, when it activates, to have the little platform go down just like a little bit. So right now it's kind of a static object, but what if the platform went down just like a little smidgen when it detects an object on it? So let's give that a shot. Let's see how it looks. It's always nice when things react to things that you do. I think this might be kind of cute. So we are going to look for platform. There it is. Okay. So in here, we are going to tell the platform to move down just a little bit. There we go. Yeah, let's try this out. This might be kind of cute. All right, that did not work. Oh. Wait, no? Why is this not working? Move position, get origin, plus idvec3, platform default height, -8. Yeah, why is it not working? Move position equals that. Get origin plus idvec3, 0, 0. Well, I don't know. Let's try it again. Oh, actually, scratch that. Let's do a little debug. Debug arrow. So this little debug will show us where the platform is trying to move to. I'm gonna get some more tea. I'll be right back. Let's try that again. Oh, I'm just moving it way too far. So it is working, it's just a little bit too far. Let's try this. I just had bad numbers. That was the problem. Okay, so we should only go down a little bit now. That's not bad. It would read a lot better if it moved slower. Okay, let's try this out. Then in here. Okay. Shmoo32 in the chat says might be a good place to hide dead bodies, or rather dispose of them. Oh, that's a good idea. I actually did not even really think about that. That's a good idea. That is smart. All right, let's try it out. The hell happened? I think I need a better system of placing objects on things. Okay. I think I got some bad code in here. There it is. I'm using a hard-coded number instead of this constant. So well, this doesn't really look as good as I hoped it would. Might be a little bit too deep. Yeah, that doesn't really read at all, does it? Do that. Maybe we'll tweak this number down here. It's not bad. I kind of like that. Come on. All right, well, looks pretty good. I'm gonna call it an end to today's stream for now. Thanks y'all for joining me. It's been a lot of fun. I think we're making pretty good progress. I think this bathroom stuff is looking really good, and it's working really good too. I think it'll be fun to play with. And we'll see what we work on next time. All right, stay safe. Have a good Wednesday. Bye for now.